So there are 3 types of breast enhancement surgeries available, and you can have a combination of some of them as well. There's a mastopexy, which is a breast lift for when you want to put your breast kind of back on your chest wall where it maybe used to be before kids or before gravity took over. There's the breast augmentation procedure where we can put in silicone or saline implants to augment the size of your breast. This can be performed in combination with a mastopexy at the same time. And there's also breast reduction surgery, which is where we both remove volume of your breast as well as lift your breast back onto the chest wall at an appropriate position to improve symptoms of neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, headaches, or even tingling in your hands from the pressure of your breasts on your spine.